Japan firm issues digital currency to clear energy transaction. This is from Jasmy AI. I'm telling you, Jasmy fam, it's only a matter of time until we move from analog. We're moving from these previous old financial systems to new financial systems that incorporate blockchain, different technologies in crypto. Jasmy with its data storage, the PDLs, AI, etc. Jasmy chain, the consortium chain, the carbon credit system. So much to offer here. The secure PCs, the blockchain PCs, right? This is a massive article from MSN.com. Japan firms to issue digital currency for clear energy transaction. A group of Japanese firms will issue a digital currency by July 2024. And remember how we talked about the JPYD and the Japanese stablecoin? Who knows if that could be used through the Jasmy chain and interoperable with it, right? For the transaction and settlement of clean energy certificates, cryptocurrency exchange, eCommerce said on Thursday. GMO Azora Net Bank will issue yen-based digital currency called the DCJPY, which will then be used for telecommunication firm Internet Initiative Japan for settlement of clean energy certificates. So the DCJPY is going to be a yen-based digital currency, basically a CBDC, right? Central bank digital currency for Japan. And why is this important? Why am I bringing this up? Well, because when CBDCs go live, CBDCs go active, that's going to be the first, that's going to be the how should I say, that is going to be the normal way for people to interact with crypto, right? It's going to be the normal way for the people of Japan to interact with crypto, and more than likely so, Jasmy chain and the Jasmy coin is going to be interoperable with the CBDC. So you could take the DCJPY and trade it for maybe Jasmy, right? And it's all going to be done on the blockchain, which is very important. We already know how Jasmy is rooted to the Japanese culture. I'm sure it's one of the most known projects in the Japanese market as far as as a altcoin or crypto project. So this is very interesting, right? Transaction of the DCJPY will be made using a network launched by dCurrent, which, unlike stablecoin, is backed by bank deposits through blockchain technology. There you go. I'm telling you guys, this is going to be second nature, right? And when all of these technologies start to take full, start to be used every day, like you do with fiat, like you do with the regular US dollar right now, guess what? The companies that have already been building for this change are going to take over, are going to cement themselves in these situations, right? Again, I'm telling you guys, all of these things are gonna play out, man. The world is going to move away from the previous financial system to a new financial system. We're going to see projects like Jasmy be pretty much interchangeable, interoperable. They could communicate with each other. The technologies could communicate with each other seamlessly, right? The launch would align Japan with other countries that have seen an increase in the number of digital currencies backed by bank deposits and blockchain technology, and could affect the central bank's plan for issuing its own digital yen. dCurrent has been spearheading the launch of the digital currency by anchoring the discussions at a consortium of Japanese firms keen to tap the technology. So, Jasmy consortium chain, which we already talked about as well. See how all of these things are tied in. The consortium, which includes mega banks, Mitsubishi, UFJ Financial Group, Mizuho Financial Group, and Sumitomo Mitsui Financial Group, has been meeting regularly to study ways to build a common settlement infrastructure for digital payments, right? They're building a common way for digital payments. Jasmy is one of the more known Japanese altcoins or crypto assets that we know of. Who's to say Jasmy doesn't become a part of this same company or group, right? Or used on their platform as well, right? Because this is where we're heading, guys. This is where we're moving into. from Jasmy AI once again. Jasmy's now listed on Bitcastle, brand new exchange listing, just under 52,000 followers on X. Thank you for supporting Bitcastle. Jasmy Coin will be available on October 19th. Be one of the earliest investors and maximize your profit on Bitcastle. Why are all these exchanges consistently listing Jasmy? Why? Why are so many exchanges listing Jasmy? Why? Because they know the Jasmy project is massive. They know it's big. They know the community is very active. And here we go, another exchange, brand new exchange. I've never heard of it, but again, these exchanges that are, you know, popping up now during the bear market could be the next big exchanges, like the, you know, the Binance and Coinbase, crypto.coms of the world going into the future. Because when exchanges go down, people have said that in previous cycles, there's old exchanges that you know, go down, then there's new exchanges that, you know, pop up or, you know, develop and rise to the top, right? Every cycle that repeats. The same way you see it with altcoins as well, you see it with exchanges. Renee.eth, not just crypto. Jasmy is so much more. It is data freedom. Couldn't say it better myself. Most popular Japanese project for your wallet, StealthX. Again, this is an exchange. I was super excited when some of my favorite altcoins got listed on StealthX. And look at what they're stating. Most popular Japanese project for your wallet. Even StealthX knows just how big Jasmy is. The most popular Japanese project for your wallet. Jasmy MGT develops IoT platforms, data marketplace, increasing value for your personal info. You can get it now on StealthX. Swap over 1,400 assets cross chain, right? StealthX, just under 50,000 followers on X as well. And hear what they stated, right? This is not vaporwave. Hear what they stated. Most popular Japanese project for your wallet, Jasmy, right here. Come on, man. Introducing Jasmy Secure PC, balancing data security and remote resource utilization. House of Chimera, once again, with another write-up and another great diagram of Jasmy secure data management, optimized PC utilization, working privacy balance, remote PC function management, remote hardware monitoring, enhanced features and usability. The utilities of Jasmy is amazing, man. And again, it's only a matter of time until we see Jasmy chain. Hopefully, like I said, it's similar to what happened with Shiba Inu, where they use the Jasmy token as the gas fee for Jasmy chain, right? Jasmy token, they do like a layer 2 scaling solution, just like Shiba Inu with Shibarium, how Shiba Inu is using Bone as the gas fee, right? Using Jasmy as the gas fee is gonna be so crucial. So hopefully the team sees this video. Maybe you should send this to Hara, guys, and let them know. Or if you're watching this, you let Hara know, hey, when you're setting up Jasmy chain, the layer 2, make sure Jasmy is used as the gas fee for Jasmy chain. That way, when people are interacting with the apps, GameFi, DeFi, meme coins, they would have to trade the Jasmy for it, which could then burn the supply of Jasmy, right? Reducing the supply. Like, imagine people are swapping a brand new meme coin on Jasmy chain. Jasmy token is the gas fee for Jasmy chain. They have to use their Jasmy and then all of a sudden they gotta pay a 5% buy and sell tax, and there's some burns on there. The Jasmy gets burned, right? That's the power of, you know, blockchains, right? So again, if y'all watching, send this to the team, let them know. Or if y'all, you know, reaching out to the team, let them know. Make sure when they're setting up their the Jasmy chain layer 2 scaling, Jasmy token is the gas fee coin for the project, right? Cruise ship. Okay, Jasmy, let's go. Magic, right? So it recently just hit the bottom of this trend line, triple bottom right here. 1 bottom, 2 bottoms, 3 bottoms. Hopefully we see the bounce off going into the end of the year for Jasmy. From NeoXtrix, to support my previous assumptions, here is Toyota's research and development, namely their clients of JNA, Jasmy Partnership Association. Wits and Jasmy also work for the development of software platforms, etc. for Toyota, right? So NeoXtrix saying Jasmy could have potential ties to Toyota. In anticipation of an era which tens of millions connected cars have become widespread, we are working to realize an IoT data platform optimized for cars that collects, stores, and utilizes vast amounts of data such as vehicle information, images, and video information. We are working on technology development for IoT data platform architecture. There you go, guys. I'm telling you, like, that's why the Jasmy team is so ahead. They are so ahead. They were thinking so far into the future because they know, just like Toyota stated here, tens of millions, hundreds of millions of people will be using IoT, right? Internet of Things. And most of these devices will be collecting data. And that's where Jasmy shines. That's where Jasmy stands out as a unique and innovative project. From our people in Japan, from Mikey, Jasmy, let's take a look right here. JBA, Japanese Bankers Association. Let's take a look. First system failure in 50 years. What do you think? It can be interpreted in various ways. Fragility of centralization. Achievement of continued operation for 50 years will not happen in Bitcoin. One thing I could say is that a centralized system causes problems. That's why decentralized Bitcoin is great. So right here, they must have had like another bank that fell, and this time it's in Japan. And again, being the most popular Japanese project, Mikey says, hey, there's also Jasmy, the Bitcoin of Japan, that is also decentralized, that Mr. Bitcoin of Japan should take a look at. It's always great to see the Japanese community of Jasmy making some noise. So with that, Jasmy fam, there you go. Japanese people, again, anytime I'm scrolling my timeline, I see more and more people of Japan speaking of Jasmy, mentioning Jasmy. The popularity of Jasmy in Japan is massive. When Binance Japan is in full effect, we're in full bull market mode, I wouldn't be surprised. The most buyers of Jasmy, it's not even people in the US, man. It's people in Japan, right? And that could be, like, again, a massive catalyst for Jasmy to go ballistic. Thank you for tuning in, Jasmy fam. Really appreciate all the support. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family. Become a channel member. I'll catch you guys in the next one.